All right, barbell hip thrusts. Fantastic glute exercise, probably the king of glute exercises, depending on who you talk to. You're probably gonna want some sort of bar pad. You can use a yoga mat, you could use a squat bar pad. You're gonna want a box or something like a bench that's about the height of your knee. And then when getting into this, it's kind of difficult. Sometimes you gotta kind of finagle yourself in. It helps to have some sort of support behind whatever you're leaning on to make sure it doesn't slide around. But once you get up there, sometimes you gotta move your feet around a little bit to get them nice and set where they wanna be. And then for your own anatomy, you want your feet flat on the ground. You want your knee to be just about over your heel at the top of the rep. And you're just gonna sink down nice and slow and squeeze the glutes hard. Try to push the hips through on the way up. The hips should be slightly above the knee. Now from this angle, it kind of looks like it's not happening with me, but you want the hips just slightly above the knee, but you don't want to overarch or hyperextend your back. So just really focus on contracting the glutes hard, squeezing them. Pinch a penny at the top, usually a 2 to 3 second hold at the top. And then you can play around with the tempo for different intensities and difficulties and whatnot. But again, it's kind of self-explanatory when you're looking at it here, but it can be a bit nuanced and technical, and it takes some getting used to and getting familiar with how to get in and out of it and whatnot.